We have created colored dye molecules which can be triggered by electromagnetic energy in the infrared region and can be rendered colorless with a commercial laser. The electromagnetic region can be selected so as to limit collateral skin damage.
And we have an off-the-shelf laser here. This is a continuous 10-watt laser. The laser is here. It's connected via optical cable to a collimator, and it's aimed at the center of the spot on that portion of magenta coating. The red light you see right now is actually the targeting laser. When I step on the foot pedal, we will get a brief burst of electromagnetic energy. 3, 2, 1, 0.
So, John, I'm going to take this card out and allow the camera to come up a little closer because we can see a very nice white dot, white circle in the center of this viewing space. And that white is actually the color of the card underneath the magenta coating. Is that correct?
That's correct. If it were not coated on reflective media, it would be a colorless spot, be transparent.
So if I open this up and I can see it is our piece of coated sample material with the magenta dye that clearly we can see has been put through numerous experiments, numerous tests with all those colorless circles. Now what we'd like to do also is experiment with our black ink, but John, before we do that, I believe you've said that this is not at all uncomfortable in terms of its frequency, light frequency to the skin.
That's correct. The light passes through your flesh, several centimeters actually, and so the sensation on your skin will not be very strong. If you want, you can stick your hand in there and I
will do just that.
Okay.
So what we're seeing now is the locator light.
Okay. Now 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Well, clearly I felt a little bit of soft heat, not at all uncomfortable and not at all painful.
That's correct.
So at this point I'm going to take the coating of black erasable dye that we created right here in the Performance Indicator Lab, and I'm going to insert it in the little placard for ease of visualizing this.
And we'll run the same experiment at the same laser power. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. There it is.
So once again, if you don't mind, I'm going to take it out and hold it a little closer, and we can see that there is a very clear white dot that reflects again the color of the card, the substrate card behind it, upon which the coating was placed, which tells us that we cannot see the black dye after the laser application.
Correct. We now have a magenta and a black composition for use in tissue marking.
And like the magenta, we can see the piece of test material that has been numerous times bleached out with many white dots, and certainly our one that sits proudly in the middle. Thank you very much.